The editor is a view in Visual Studio Code that displays the contents of your project file. You can open as many files as you need at the same time, and they will be displayed in VS Code's main window in a form of tabs. Also, they will be listed in a view called Open Editors for quick navigation. When you edit your 4GL project file that is tracked in the source control, that file will be displayed as modified both in FGL Project Explorer and in the tabs, marked with the M letter. The folder containing the modified file will be displayed as modified as well. Also, when you edit the file of the program that had been built before, the built mark, a green check mark, will disappear from the program's label.